How to share tweets on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to share tweets to your Instagram really easily. So let's get started. First, what you guys need to do is you will open up your Twitter on your mobile phone. You can install the app or you can also open it up with twitter.com. So once you get here, you have to select the tweet that you want to share to your Instagram. So let's say I want to share this one right here. To do that, you will find the share option at the bottom of the post. You can see we have comment, like, and then we have the share option. Click on share and it will give you four options. You have to select the last one, share tweet via. So I'm going to select this one. Now we have different options. We have newsfeed on Facebook, Snapchat, Gmail. You can swipe, you have Pinterest, and then click on more if you do not see Instagram. And then it will show you Instagram chat, Instagram stories. So I'm going to select Instagram chats from here. It will open up your Instagram. Make sure that you are logged into your Instagram application. So now I can share my tweets to Instagram really easily. So you can share it in chats. You can also share tweets on stories or as a post on Instagram with this option. So you just have to open up your Twitter, click on share and select Instagram. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification and subscribe to YouTube channel.